Bueno, a ver, Naza, ¿qué estáis haciendo hoy aquí?
Hoy estamos pesando a los monitos para darles medicamentos más adelante. Y los pesamos con los monitos de arriba nuestros en la balanza y después sacamos nuestros pesos, los restamos y ahí sabemos el peso de los monitos.
¿Ya?
Con 20.
20. Así se le da para pesarlo así, tranquilito después.
When the baby spider monkey came, all the monkeys were interested in him, especially Maria. Maria acted like his mom and came up and wanted to take him in her arms, but the baby was still very weak.
Mika and Emmy wanted to cuddle with the monkey, but we had to be very careful because the baby's arm is still very hurt, but it's very cute, and all the monkeys were very interested and all wanted to be a part of it.
We are making a new collar for Chotty because this one has a tiny little ring on it and nobody can get him clipped onto his lead in the morning very easily with that collar. And also it's getting old and shitty, so we try a collar with a bigger ring. One more hole just in case we're going to have to come back in here and redo it. I'm going to start to tighten it a bit while he's
Choti.
naughty boy. Naughtiest, not biting. Yes. Go. Look at you and your pretty blue color. No biting.